Cancer Hospital celebrates 25 years of hope and healing. We take a moment to honor our founding members, board members, and valued donors whose unwavering support has shaped this remarkable legacy. Ladies and gentlemen, let us begin the felicitation ceremony. The first batch, may I request Madam Anupriya Patel Garu to do the felicitation and honor the recipients. The first batch of founding board members. May I call upon Dr. Kodala Sivaprasad Rao Garu. On behalf of him, Dr. Kodala Sivaramakrishna Garu will be receiving the founding managing trustee. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. May I call upon founding trustee, Shri P.S. Ram Mohan Rao Garu. Shri P.S. Ram Mohan Rao Garu. Shri Ram Mohan Rao Garu. Founding board members, please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. 25 years of legacy and the journey we are witnessing the founding members here on the stands. May I request Shri M.D.S. Ramarao Garu to kindly join us next. On behalf of Shri Mathukumalli Veera Venkata Satyanarayana Murthy Garu, Shri M.D.S. Ramarao Garu will now receive the felicitation. Next up, may I call upon Sri G. Raghav Reddy Garu, Trustee of Sri Pullareddy Sweets, Sri Raghav Reddy Garu, Sri B. Krishnaya Garu, may I call upon Sri B. Krishnaya Garu, next up, may I call upon Sri Paturi Ramarao Garu to please come on to the stage. Post that, Sri Satish Reddy Garu on behalf of Dr. Anji Reddy Garu. Sri Paturi Sumant Garu on behalf of Sri Paturi Ramarao Garu. Sri Satish Reddy Garu on behalf of Dr. Anji Reddy Garu. Sri Satish Reddy Garu On behalf of Anjireddy Garu. May I call upon Srimati Usha Modi Garu on behalf of Sri Pramod Modi Garu. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Next up, may I request Dr. Pemisani Chandrasekhar Garu to felicitate next set of founding donors. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Sri Veeraya Garu, on behalf of Sri P. Venkateswarlu Garu, I call upon Veeraya Garu to kindly join us. Founding donors, may I call upon Sri C.H. Kiran Garu, Srimati P. Parvati Garu, Sri Sushil Kapadia Garu to please come up. Sri C.H. Kiran Garu, Srimati P. Parvati Garu, recurring individual donors, may I call upon Sri Chandru Venkateswarlu Garu on behalf of Srimati Chandru Tulasamma Garu. Venkateswarlu Garu, request you to please come up onto the dais. And next up, may I call upon Dr. P.S. Raju Garu, Sri P. Sitaram Raju Garu, Sri Kommareddy Nagabhushan Garu, Sri Charan Raj Garu, Annalura, Sri Seshireddy Garu, Mrs. Meghana Infra, Sri Subhadesh Gudipalli Garu, Sri Pendyala Papaya Sastri Garu, thank you for all the recurring individual donors. May we all put our hands together for making this huge 25 years of legacy possible. The regular donors, recurring individual donors, Thank you and a huge gratitude. Dr. P.S. Raju garu, Sri P.S. Sita Ramaraju garu, Sri Kommareddy Nagabhushan garu, Sri Charan Raj garu, Sri Seshireddy garu, Sri Sugadish Gudipalli garu, సమయాభావం వల్ల దయచేసి